So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your MetaSuite account and set up everything, like add your Facebook page, Instagram account, set up the billing information and everything necessary to run ads and create posts or schedule posts. And also I will show you how you can give your MetaSuite account access to someone so that he can manage everything, like run ads and create content on behalf of you from his end. Okay, so first of all you have to go to business.facebook.com. I have created this sheet, this Google Doc, where I showed the step-by-step process. Okay, so I will also share this document with you as well. So after visiting the URL, this directs us to this interface. You have to log in with Facebook or log in with Instagram. Then it will ask for your Facebook account details, like your personal account. You have to use that one to log in. Then you will be directed into this interface if you already have created a MetaSuite account but hasn't set up anything. But if you haven't, you may need to provide additional details like the business name, website address and things like that. But it's a very straightforward process, and after filling up those information you will be directed to an interface similar to this. And after coming to this interface, you need to create a business portfolio, and for that you have to click here. And after clicking on this interface that you can see on the top left corner, you have to click this one and you have to click on create a business portfolio. And here you can name it business portfolio name, like the name of your business, and you can put your personal information like first name, last name here. So after filling up the information, we have to click on this and it will direct us. For my case, this is directing me to this interface because I have a lot of Facebook access, but those Facebook pages doesn't have a business portfolio. So it's asking me if I want to add any Facebook page or not, but it won't show you this section. Okay, so now we will skip it. And after skipping this part, it will ask you add people to this business portfolio, but we won't do it just yet, and we will confirm it. After that, we will be directed to an interface like this. It's showing demo business portfolio. Okay, and after seeing this interface, you can click on business settings from here, or you can click here. So after coming into this interface, you have to add your Facebook page here. Add an existing page, you have to click here, and you can put your Facebook page name here or Facebook page URL here. If you put your Facebook page name here properly, you will be directed to review people this interface and then request approval. Some very straightforward process, and then you have to click on next and it will be added to your business portfolio. So you can also add your Instagram account after creating. If you don't have an Instagram account like a business account, you can create it very easily, and then you have to come to this interface and then add Instagram account, and it will direct you to a interface where you have to log in, and after that the Instagram account will be added here. Okay, so after that you need to add a ad account. So this ad account will be used to run ads on the previously added Facebook page. Okay, so you have to create an ad account. You can name it and you have to follow the step-by-step process, and this is very straightforward as well. And after creating that, you have to put your billing and payment information. You can add your credit or debit card there, and after everything has been done, you have to go to people, and here you have to click on invite, and you can put my email address or the email address that you want to share access with of your business portfolio, so that he or she can manage the ads and schedule social posts and everything. Okay, so I have shown you the necessary steps, and now let's go to a existing properly set up business portfolio so that I can show you how you can provide access properly. So you can see I am on the people section, so I'm clicking on invite people, and if I put my email address here, you have to click on enter after providing the Gmail or email address, and you can easily give the full control so that you don't have to go through all the necessary steps and like check the technical stuff there. And after that you have to click next, and you have to select everything here. The Facebook page, you have to give the Facebook page access that you have recently added. You have to give the ad account access, and you can see when I added this, it's asking for a lot of access here. So it's asking if you want to share these access with the Gmail address or not. So you can easily just give all access, and you should give leads access as well. You don't have to give revenue access because marketers don't need that, but leads access we need that, because after seeing some leads landing on the business portfolio from Facebook ads, we can like create a persona and retarget people in the future more specifically. So you have to click this one as well, and for this one you can give full control as well so that everything goes fluidly. So after that, invite with two assets, you have to click this one, and after that the invitation will be sent. So yes, that's it, and this is how you can create a business portfolio or business MetaSuite account and give the necessary access to a marketer. Thank you.